Hi, I am Bernadette Balayang of Santa Rosa Science and Technology High School, Section Maxwell. And I will teach you how to get the derivative using two different methods. First, through the standard definition of derivative, we have f prime of x equals limit of f quantity x plus h minus f of x all over h as x approaches 0. For example, we are given an equation like this. What we must do is to take x plus h and substitute it to every x in the given equation. So, notice that we just substituted x plus h to every x of the original equation. And that looks like this. Now, next, the formula tells us to subtract f of x to this. And so that will look like this. Remember that this is our f of x. Then, all over h. The next thing to do is to expand these parts. To expand this, it will become x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h. Remember, you must be careful. You must be careful in using the signs. Plus 1 minus. Remember that to remove the parentheses, you must change the sign of the inside term. So that will be minus x squared plus 5x minus 1 all over h. Notice that we can cancel negative 1 and positive 1, positive 5x and negative 5x, and negative x squared to positive x squared. We can also cancel the h because we have h in the denominator. So, what is left is 2x plus h minus 5. Remember that in our formula, x approaches 0. So, h is equivalent to 0. So, we can remove that. And we are left with the final answer, 2x minus 5.
Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned something from this video. And I also want to thank Jo Marie Nogot for taking this video. Bye-bye.